Good morning from Dubrovnik. Today we're going to go walk the city walls of Dubrovnik. You can kind of see it behind me in the window there. Super stoked! This is where a lot of Game of Thrones little establishing shots were filmed. And yeah, I'm really stoked. I don't have any Daenerys-y outfit today. I realized I don't even have any blue tops at all. So the most I could do is a white top because she has white hair, and I guess blue shorts because she wears blue. And I was gonna braid my hair, but it's so windy, whatever.
She knew she couldn't compete with my hair anyway.
Yeah, I cannot compete with that. Stay tuned, and subscribe. Bye for now.
We're running late. This is all your fault, by the way. You got up late. I got up at 3:30. 3:30.
Complain.
Complain.
You woke up by choice. I didn't make you wake up at 3:30. You wanted to.
I woke up for our video and our audience, who I care about, and Morgan doesn't care about at all, because 400 people are no one to me.
That's not what I think.
That's what you said last video.
Yeah, but it's not compared to big people, like 1 million subscribers. Like, it's not...
You guys compare to me like 1 million subscribers.
That's not what I mean. You're twisting my meaning.
Just, honestly, guys, if you're subscribing, do it for me. Because Morgan doesn't care about it.
You're such a dick.
Done, let's go.
Garlic bread.
Oh, punch me in the face.
Help us poor children afford garlic bread. Become a Patreon.
Like the cartoons, they like float and like their toes are like...
Yes. This is the most Game of Thrones-y thing that I have on right now. I wanted to be like Daenerys, but I guess I have a House Stark thing going on. Although I guess technically she's kind of House Stark now.
You could say she's expecting 6 inches of snow tonight.
Winter's coming if you don't know.
Whoa.
Change you and I, jumping on the edge. These the dreamers never die. So come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change you and I, jumping on the edge. These the dreamers never die. So come and fly away with me.
Obviously, this is the exact stuff that Daenerys was in the car episodes. I think that's a shitty plot point. I didn't really like that episode. It wasn't in the books, and I didn't like it too much. But it's so cool because we're here. Amelia Clark touched this very stone. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Close to harmony when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring a change. Journey's where I'm meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. These are dreamers never die. So come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid.
Come up here. Look at them eating at that rooftop bar. That looks so luxurious. So what did you learn about cats and people calling them in different languages?
So at home, as far as I understand, everyone calls cats by going, but here everyone calls them by going, whisk, 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 whisk.
It's a different language.
Which is what's interesting is with my old cat, Tiger, if he was doing anything bad, we go ch-ch-ch-ch, and he'd like freak out and run away. And that sounds eerily close to whisk, 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 whisk. So it's inherently me thinking people are trying to shoo the cat away, but they're not. They're calling the cat.
Fascinating.
It is.
Truly.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you.
I said we've been on the wall for 2 hours.
On the wall. It's a bit warmer than the one that's down north. Oh, wait. Down north. It's a bit warmer than the one up north.
Ice cold OJ.
Harrison does never prepare. He never brings snacks or drinks in ahead of
This is the
time.
thing that Morgan can't seem to conceive is if I bring a cold drink with me and wait 3 hours, it's no
Oh
longer
yeah,
cold.
I forgot you explained that.
I don't want warm orange juice, that's nasty.
This is where we think that Tyrion and Varys were standing in that scene talking with that in the background, but we're not allowed to go there.
That spot where they are, in turn, that's what's in the background. So I don't think, I know they all obviously add some CG to it.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't.
Oh, get that one.
I'm looking at this one because he's moving. Oh, that one just moved.
Yeah, you
He's
moved it.
gone.
Running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. Forget my problems, I might go insane.
We noticed that somebody left a plate of food over there, so we would still swim if we were cats.
Nowhere. I feel like you're lying. Trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my.
Alright guys, tell us how many cats you can find in this photo. I count 12.
Over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
I put spikes there so that birds wouldn't stand there. And he's breaking all of the rules.
Damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
We have like one of the best views of Dubrovnik right from our Airbnb, I feel like.
The pirate ship. No, it's yar har fiddly dee.
No.
Being a pirate is so fun to
I
be.
think it's copyrighted.
I said if we get copyrighted by that, we're done.
Look at
You're gonna fall over.
I know, I was scared. Lana Del Rey did that in the music video, so I want to.
So you're gonna do it.
Yeah. This is the spot in Game of Thrones where Cersei has to walk through the crowd and they're like, shame, shame.
Now, if you don't know what she's talking about, let me demonstrate.